I have a really big announcement for anyone that registered for ResusX. By now, you probably know all the things that you're gonna get when you register. I mean, besides the fun conference and the hands-on workshops and all that stuff. Everyone who comes to ResusX Live is gonna get a swag bag just stuffed with goodies. They're getting a comfortable, soft fit, amazing t-shirt. Not this one, another one. Certain levels of registration are gonna get you access to 3 conferences online before the conference starts. You get your choice of 4 pre-conference workshops: the airway workshop, the ultrasound workshop, the Resus Ready procedural workshop, and the Lit Distillery with Salim Rezaie. But if you registered for ResusX and you're coming live, everyone is gonna get one of these. Eddie Joe's vasopressor ionotrope handbook absolutely free. It's going in the swag bag, so each one of you is gonna get this handbook right when you walk in the door. Even our virtual online participants are gonna get this as well. Anyone who registers for the deluxe level of the conference is gonna get that book. It's an evidence-based handbook, the first of its kind, talking about the things, the tools that we use every day when resuscitating patients. We didn't have to throw this in, but I feel like this is the best tool that complements the conference when it comes to giving you the best education. So there you go, take it, it's yours. And even though the conference is almost sold out, we have a few tickets left. Do not buy this book if you're coming to the conference, because I'm giving it to you for free. I will see you in Philadelphia in 5 weeks.